Instarem review, my honest experience and user insights on fees, speed and exchange rates. If you've ever sent money internationally, you know how frustrating high fees and bad exchange rates can be. That's why I decided to try Instarem, a global money transfer platform that claims to offer fast, low-cost international payments. Here's my honest review, and what really stood out. Setting up an account was simple and took just a few minutes. Once verified, I could send money to over 60 countries, including the US, UK, India, and Australia. What surprised me most was the transparency. Instarem shows you the exact exchange rate and total fees before you send a cent. No hidden charges, no surprises. Most people get this wrong. They assume lower fees mean slower transfers. But my experience was the opposite. Funds reach accounts in India and Europe within 24 hours, and in some cases instantly. When it comes to rates, Instarem consistently beat my bank and even some major transfer apps. They use what's called the real mid-market rate, so you get a fair deal without inflated margins. I also liked their rewards program called Instay Points, where you earn credits for every transaction that can be redeemed for discounts on future transfers. Now, the downsides, depending on the destination. There might be limits on how much you can send at once. And while the interface is smooth, the verification process can take longer for new users. Overall, Instarem lives up to its reputation. It's fast, transparent, and affordable. If you regularly send money abroad, it's one of the best platforms they're getting more value out of every transfer.